going to the beach again. We're going to the beach.
Keep on moving till the first days are done. Keeping it on till the day stays strong. Rolling till the nighttime blazes on. All along I keep singing my song. I say this phase is always. Sometimes I get so crazed, but just know that I'll always stay. Cause you're my light through the haze. It's time for a champion. Soothe the soul of the land. Men aren't from the sea and sand till the sun comes up again. Time for a champion. Soothe the soul of the land. Men aren't from the sea and sand till the sun comes up again.
Hey guys, we're in, what is this called now?
I don't know, but show them the Spamos to be and the bento boxes.
What's this?
How about I get this? Yes, gang. Yeah, go.
Look at all of them bento. Must be. There's this beef stew. Then that's terry chicken bento. Then up here's tau fun, fish katsu, spam musubi, and other things, but I don't know really. That's what it was. So I'm trying to find something. Maybe trash is down there. So this is the Frio machine. So you just press. Do you want regular, more thick, or less thick?
Whatever.
Do you want it like a slushy?
Yeah.
Slushy? So more thick. So you press that machine or button. Then it goes up to there. And this happens. Ta-da! Okay. So there's this and there. So look like that.
Hi! So we're in the beach.
What's up, bros?
What is that all about? Gabe, what is that, Gabe?
This is my fortress.
Navea, what are you eating?
This is our project.
Right there, Ode is cold. She's getting darker already.
I know.
Zoom out, bro. It's nice, the background. And I'm
What, are they
sleeping.
here yet?
I love to sleep.
Hello, vlog. So we're back from the beach.
I'm so funny.
It's okay. So right now, my hot, never mind. This is my thingy. The hash brown, focus, and the hotcakes.
Wow, food.
The beach.
Wow.
So fun. Yeah.
And then another food over there.
Who closed the door? Okay, we'll see you later. Bye. So this is the aftermath. Say hi to the vlog. Hi vlog. Hello. Cute feet. And the face right there. What are you watching? Stella, we'll play after. You can't turn it. You have to keep it like this. Phoebe did that.
Stella, the dog gonna bite you, yeah?
We're currently at Charlotte's house right now for dinner, and this is who we have. Okay, I will. Alright, so mag-eat na daw, miss. Yeah, I know. So this is what we have tonight. Right there, pancit, and the fish, and the shrimp, and the steak.
Don't forget, keep yourself clean.
Oh my god, I look forward to the chili.
Somebody can eat?
Oh, na, ang kuya.
Hello.
Chili, and all the good stuff. And Summer, tell me about your hair, please.
It's fake.
Oh, it's fake. Is it a clip-on? Oh, it's fake. Oh, it's a headband. I have today chili with onion and cheddar cheese and sour cream, and then spaghetti Nanay made. This chip, you dip it here, and then you eat it. So yeah. She's scooping her food now. This girl is so skinny, but she can eat like a construction worker.
Look, that's what we want. Wait, I like the fat.
Hi. Magkay buli, grabe sa
You go home early?
Yeah, I finished early today. Short shift lang po. Short shift. Short shift.
Someone's drinking.
Short shift.
How old are you?
I'm 25.
Good job. Good job. Make sure your mom doesn't watch this. Oh, oy. Galing ng ano? Wailuku, Washington.
Yeah.
Oh, gabe. Tell everyone what's your name.
Hi, my name is Summer, and this is Mama Ode.
And yeah, they already know me. How about you?
Wait, is that a YouTube channel? Yeah. And this is Brianna. And this is...
Dito lang makita.
He's so funny. And this is Uncle Kenny. And we are gonna get our slime. So yeah, and I'm getting my cups. Okay guys, we're gonna get my sticky slime, and my friend Brianna here is gonna help me. Let's go. I have a new car. Sorry, you can't see.
Where are you guys going?
Grabbing her slime.
What?
Grabbing her slime in the car.
Inside the car?
Yeah. Let's go.
Wow, look what she's making. Can you explain what is going on right now?
This is what we call creme brulee. It's not, when I first read it, I thought it's cream, but it's actually creme brulee.
Si Ate Banga.
Hello everyone. So I'm cooking. I'm cooking. Cooking. And then we're gonna pour some toyo. And then we're gonna put. And she's gonna do some fire. And then after that, we're gonna put some strawberry. And she's burning the cake. And then we're gonna call the firefighter in case of emergency. And the exit is over there. Then one way, and then you turn to the right, and then turn left, and then you turn. You should be safe. The escalator is broken. So now, as you can see, it's burning. And
It's burning with a passion.
yeah, it's burning with a passion. And now it's turning brown. And then later on, it's gonna turn blue. Because the fire is blue.
Diba, bongga? Na siya. And then, gibutangan lang o gano.
Thank you. Iinit di day.
What's inside?
Fire.
Okay, so this is Bushi.
Hello.
The cousin. Okay, go. Cheers! Cheers!
Creamy. Pretty good. It's mellow.
What can you tell about the presentation?
These work.
Alexa, stop please. Think about it. Talk about the presentation. It will be 3 out of 5, but the taste is 6 out of 5. Wow, bongga! Honest feedback. Ano, ha? The way she put the strawberries are not in sync.
They're
For real.
plump.
Yeah. She literally just took a spoonful and put it on top. She could have at least make it nicer where I can see the but that's why it's 3 out of 5. But the taste is 6 out of 5. So it means it tastes good. I'm just talking about the appearance.
The strawberries could have been cut better too.
Oh yeah, let's blame the person that cut this. How much would you pay for it? $12? I asked him how much would he pay for it if he buys it in the store. He said 12 cents. How much would you pay for it?
4.
Oh wow! How much would you pay for it?
$5.
$5. How about you? $5? How much would you pay for it?
With senior citizen discount.
How much would you pay for it?
$15.
Wow! How much would you pay for it? No comment. Whoa! $10. Already na ang disco. Good morning. We're heading to Hana with the whole family. 2 cars total. One is in front of us. Giselle drove it, and then Mark Recto, Ate Jonah drove it today. We have Paul in the front, our captain, Jonalyn Stepper, assisted by First Officer Paul.
Was it here, honey?
Nope.
Oh no, it's not.
Right down here.
And
I see. It
we are the
really looks
passengers. And it's
Because
raining.
it's from the other falls too, yeah?
So this is going to be my first time going to Hana.
Yeah, that one right
Oh, right there.
Everyone else in this car have been to Hana before. Except me.
No.
She did. Yeah. Alright, so
Hana, but it's in Mama.
let's show you around.
Black sandwich. so we're here at halfway to Hana. Hana is one of the famous tourist spot here in Maui, and this is my cousin.
1, 2. Can you get the chicken? Where is it? Where's the chicken? Hey guys, it's me again in my hometown, Hana. Wow. Mama Babs, let's take a picture with the chicken. Come here. Yeah, she was chasing the chicken to get the picture. Come on, go, go, go. So what, crawling? Grab it, Babs. Come out, come this side. They're coming this side. Cheese. Mama, they're not gonna listen to you. She's calling them like they're dogs.
Oh my god!
sister.
Oh, yeah, diet, our diet.
Oh my gosh, she got a knife.
Oh wow, this is warm.
This is the famous bread here in Hana. It's banana bread.
1, 2, 3. Our turn, our turn.
Okay, Mama, the chickens are by you. Cheese. Aloha kako, welcome to the island of Maui. This is Giselle, your local tour guide. So right now we are in Wainapanapa State Park. We are in a cave and we are leaving the cave. There are also 2 caves here, but one is closed off to the public. Right now we're at the Black Sand Beach. Here's a clip. You probably can't hear me because it's super windy.
So tell me about like the Black Sand Beach.
So the Black Sand Beach is the Black Sand Beach. We just covered it with black sand.
How come it's a Black Sand Beach?
Because you know, it was burnt. They were cooking it. It's sunny here sometimes, but today is very gloomy. So there are days where they're gloomy. Here's a little clip. Okay. Here's my tatas. Izumi is ready for luau.
1, 2, chaka! Boom, shakala!
What's up, everybody?
Is it video?
Hi.
Aloha.
Di wow, aloha.
What do you call that thing over there?
Bunny ears.
Like a bunny ear?
Bunny, not buddy. Bunny
And
ears.
some people like climb up of that rock and then cliff jumping. Alright, so we're here past by Hana and my auntie is still eating. So we're going to a hidden falls. I don't know what is the name of the falls, but it's just a 5-minute walk along this tricky. So I don't know what bridge is this. Alele Bridge. My auntie, so brave. We crossed that river. The struggle is real. You have to cross the river. Oh my god, it's so cold. Ah! My gosh. This is it, guys. This is the Hidden Falls. It's right there. It's raining. Oh, they didn't make it. She just wait on the side.
Hello, I just woke up. I was sleeping on the road on the way back home. We're almost home. The time right now is 5:08. We are done roaming around. Roaming around? How do you say it?
Roaming around
Roaming around
in Maui.
Maui. So that's a wrap. Yeah, we're gonna end the vlog here and see you on to the next. Bye. I hope you guys enjoy our little getaway.